What's up, everybody? Hope you're all doing great. Good morning. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. It's great to have you all here again. And in this video, we're going to be taking a look at Ethereum. And I actually wanted to know, I wanted to ask you, in these mornings, I always post these updates on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I wanted to know if you watch both ones or if you only watch one that you think is more interesting. I'm pretty interested in that because I have been doing it for quite some time now, and I've been enjoying it because it is very valuable to take a look at the bigger cryptos, see what they're doing, because most cryptos are actually following them, and if they aren't following them, there's a reason for that. All right, and then it gets interesting to take a look at that reason, and then you gain insight into the entire crypto industry, or at least like the bigger market cap points, obviously. And for Ethereum, I mean, today is a pretty bullish day. We're up 6%. We're higher than we were before this drop. While I initially thought, and I'm just going to say that, I thought this drop would lead us at least down to 1400. Now, yesterday in the analysis, I already got back on that because of this. And yesterday we talked about, we went over all the statistics. Yesterday we talked about that there is a pretty interesting market structure forming right now. And it's that we have this very bullish trend line and there's quite a strong uptrend coming up under us, kind of forming this triangle together with this trend line. And usually I don't really use triangles like that, but this one I actually thought was pretty legit. So what we talked about yesterday is that something like this was probably more likely because the bullish momentum is just way stronger than the bearish momentum right here. All right, you can also see that from that third touch of the trend line right here. We actually respected it twice after this second touch, the trend line, the descending trend line, but they were very small touches, and we found support at 1600 immediately after. So I didn't think we would get this breakout this soon, but we got it, and I actually do think it's a real bullish breakout. All right, there's enough volume. It's almost 10% of the market cap, so that's great. To me, it really is like this. Like 1700 is a very strong resistance level, but I just think we're going to take a break retest. Maybe we'll drop down all the way to 1600 again. I would still count it as a break retest. And my next price target really is right here between 1800 and 1830. And then from there, I do think initially we'll find resistance, but maybe after that we can actually get back to 2000 again. That is very possible, even though September is a notoriously bearish month. We're still only 10 days into September, right? So a lot of things can still happen. And something that I think is more important than September being a bearish month is that the merge is coming up in less than 6 days. All right, if everything goes according to plan, even though I thought it was the 19th. I'm not sure. The 15th. All right, well, we'll see about that, but at least the merge is coming up. And I always thought, and I always had the theory that the merge, even after it happens, that it is going to be bullish for Ethereum. So now the big question obviously is this already the rally before the merge? And I don't think so, because I think we're going to reject off of 1800 and then somewhere off of 1650, maybe from there we'll start a rally. And from the levels we're at right now, I think a rally is going to take us all the way up to 2000 again. All right, that might be a little bit of a hot take, but I do think so. There's just not a lot of resistance above us anymore. The only two resistance levels before 2000, the only strong ones, are 1700. That's the level we're at right now, and 1800 and 1830. The top of this key area, right? So altogether, something like this seems to be quite a likely scenario. Obviously, it's quite a bold scenario because this means, I'm assuming, we'll go up by almost 20% in the upcoming 2 weeks. But to be honest, if you take a look at the fundamentals and the technicals, that does seem like the most likely scenario. So I am going to stick with it. For now, though, that's my analysis on Ethereum. If you do have any questions about it, feel free to ask me down in the comments. But for now, I'd like to thank you all for watching and listening. And I hope to see you all in my next videos. Take care and bye.